Welcome back to another cause-inspired tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to use Yoast to post a good-looking social card on social media. A lot of you have had this problem before, where you go to post a link on Facebook or Twitter or another social media platform and no image pops up. And a title and a description are a great start, but they're not as eye-catching as an image, right? So we will go to our post and we see that there's no image. We know that, but we don't want an image on this page. So we'll click Edit. We'll scroll down to see the Yoast plugin that has already been installed on our backend in WordPress. And it shows on every page and post. So we'll scroll down till we find that, and then we'll click on the Social tab. If we're using Twitter and having the same issue, then we would do that as well. Right now, we're just going to use the Facebook one. So we'll look at Upload Image, and we'll scroll through our media library and choose an image that we want to share with this. We'll upload a new one if we want. I'm going to use this image. Now that I've uploaded the image with Yoast, I'm going to update the page. Next, I will go to what is called the Sharing Debugger. This is on the site Facebook for Developers, and it's a tool that helps you see what Facebook sees when it crawls your site. Usually, if you have a featured image on the web page, that's what shows with your social card. That is your OG tag, your open graph image. The Facebook crawler with the Sharing Debugger breaks down what the problem is. I usually like to use it to see the fastest update after I have used Yoast to post my new image. It doesn't change anything in my post itself. You don't see the image on the page, but Facebook and other social platforms will see that image and use it when I share them on social media. So I'll post my link into the Sharing Debugger and click Debug. Usually you have to give it a few minutes. So let's hit Scrape again, because the last time the Facebook crawler went through that site was 4 minutes ago. If I hit Scrape again, now I know when I post it to Facebook, that's what Facebook will see. So let's go back to Facebook and try it one more time. So I'll post my link, and now I see my image. If I want to double check that my description is there, then I could also put that in Yoast, but I'm not particularly interested in that right now.